only time I really feel free is when I'm shaping metal. It's what I'm on this planet to do. When I got into metal shaping, we didn't have all these companies making metal shaping equipment. The fact that I could look in a catalog and I could call Baileigh and say, hey, I need this hammer and I need this tooling with it for this job I need to do. You know, it really helped me out. I think it really kind of changed the path of my career. I've gone from doing things the hard way, which I think makes people a better craftsman, to understanding how valuable efficiency and quality is. Yeah, I can make a quarter panel with a hammer and dolly and a tucking fork, and it might take me 3 weeks to get to the same way I could produce it with a power hammer in 3 days. Yeah, the machinery can be expensive, but the efficiency over time is where that comes into play.